As if this match wasn't compelling enough, when you throw in the no disqualification stipulation, it gets even better.
These competitors can use barricades, steel stairs, announce tables, heck, even outside interference. Nothing is off limits here, and they will let their imaginations run wild.
You're right, Corey. This is hardcore all the way, and the WWE Universe can't get enough of it. Makes him pay with a counter.
Just from a deadlift position.
Sit out powerbomb. Paying it right back with a reversal.
Look at this, going counter for counter. Counter after counter. A counter answered by another counter.
Reigns comes up short on that attack. Catches the leg. Belly to belly. That was impressive. Some superstars are understandably hesitant to exploit the no disqualification stipulation.
Then they need to go wrestle a different match. This is the kind of match where you need to cross the line before the opposition does. If a superstar wants the W, they need to overcome that hesitation.
Reigns averts the attack. In the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target. McIntyre holding him at bay. McIntyre manhandling his opponent. Here's Drew McIntyre. Sidewalk slam. Now he's been put on the defensive.
Falls Count Anywhere matches are uniquely demanding. He should know that.
The shoulder claw. Look at this. Agony and pain.
Agonizing.
And he's able to reverse. Had that well scouted.
Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
Just launched his opponent. Overhead belly to belly. Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Elbow drop.
Great height.
He's returning fire. What a smash.
That is just insulting. Grabs the leg. Look at this. He just tossed the leg.
Saw it coming.
This is going to get ugly.
Hey, that's all it takes. McIntyre gets met with a response. Up to the top rope now.
Incoming.
But he doesn't connect.
Superman punch. Roman just showed Drew what destruction the tribal chief is capable of. I don't know if this is a good idea. This is going to take more strength than he has left.
A lift up. Whoa!
What the leg? Oh, nothing fancy there.
Oh, look at the... Man, that hurts. Oh, my. Sent flying. The big dog is unleashed. Overwhelming attacks for Roman now. Drew fending him off. A DDT to a kip up. He is...
The big dog sitting it up. We're about to see it.
Spear! Reigns got all of it. Makes the cover. No way. Just trademark determination from the Scotsman. Not many men would kick out in that situation. And after all that, Roman Reigns still hasn't ended this battle. Able to evade. And now McIntyre is being neutralized.
Rarely do we see Drew get disassembled like this.
Deadlift gut-wrench suplex. Just breaking down the opponent. Enough already. Oh, God. establishing the upper hand. Roman seems tapped into his endless reserve of strength. Superman punch!
Does Drew have the resiliency now?
Cover! 1, 2. What a kick out at 2.
Absolute defiance from the Highlander. McIntyre finding a way out of the pinfall.
And this one continues. The big dog is going to have to fight even harder to score the win.
To stomp in every single part of his body.
He's turning the tables.
Drew showing how much punishment he can withstand before paying it back himself.
That could be the torch that lights the fire under McIntyre.
McIntyre is getting dismantled. Drew's power currently being suppressed.
Reigns is bludgeoning his opponent in the corner. Powering clotheslines. Vice-like grip on the trapezius muscle. This is terribly painful.
The WWE Universe is on its feet.
And deservedly so. These superstars are holding nothing back.
He gets sent down to the floor. Taking this outside.
This could be good. Spear from the big dog. Reigns put his stamp on this one.
Looking for the victory. 2. Oh, he was almost finished.
McIntyre's been taken to the deep waters, but he's proving to be someone merely impossible to keep down.
A rare moment of frustration for Roman Reigns. The big dog thought this one was over. Oh, right to the back of the neck. What a blow.
Good night. Deadlift gut-wrench suplex.
Unparalleled intensity from the big dog.
Roman seems tapped into his endless reserve of strength.
Defiant counter to Reigns. Stand there, takedown. Big knee. He's taking this to the floor now.
Oh, man, ladies and
Does he get him here? 1, 2, 3. And he picks up a monumental victory.
Here is your winner, Roman Reigns!
I have to think this win is a statement from Roman Reigns to the rest of WWE, saying if Drew McIntyre couldn't beat me, how could you?
yeah, Roman came here tonight to end this rivalry and make an example of Drew. There's no question Reigns and McIntyre represent the very top of the food chain here in WWE, but now Roman can distinguish himself as the undisputed head.